Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, manual tilting steering column, keyless open, keyless start, leather and metal look steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.